Okay, so now I'm going to do a PA on October 29, 2021. So today the main thing, the main trade I did is, first of all, did I do trade New Zealand USD? I think I did. Okay, so New Zealand USD in the morning, Asia timing, I saw this B formation into this trap seller. Then got take out, so I was expecting a bounce into about this area. Then before it went during the London Open, I got out, which is a mistake. I scratched this trade because the trade looks like good. Instead of taking it to this area of concern. Then after that, it's just a one way straight down. Then location wise, is good. Entry wise, I entered around at here, so actually I see all this throughout the whole session, and it's in like 10 o'clock in the morning, 10 a.m. This Asian session, which has a low volume. So maybe it's not the best time to trade lah. Then I just kind of just put my stop loss here and go do other stuff. Then during London Open, initially I thought it would go up all the way to here and close the trade, but then it this reverse just took. I just decided to scratch it after this strong reverse. Overall, I say it's okay. It's quite a good trade. What I did scratching the thing due to the price session is okay. Target wise, I didn't expect to go high because of this area of concern where there's this trap buyers immediately got trapped. So overall, I say good trade today. Next is Great Britain, Japan. In the morning, I actually wanted to trade the like 8 o'clock. It hit this area of concern right here, and it immediately about 8 o'clock I actually want to short it, but the price takes off immediately and come back down. So next after this price comes down and it went up, it becomes a battle between these sellers and these buyers. So is in this range trade. So ultimately it resolved for now. What I see, it resolved down, but doing here the play that I did is I bought at this area here. Put a stop here and I sold it out to here. I got about 4R out of this trade, which is very good, cause this is just a panic sell. There's people taking profit. Then when it comes to this area of concern, then there's this struggle up, struggle, and it didn't take the high up convincingly. Yet it came to this the guy who started it over here. There's this strong resistance over here. Then I got out of this position. To be honest, I could have just sold here. That's the ultimate play lah. It's like sold here, take it down to this guy. Then I brought it back out again to here about this, the guy who started here. Then I can trade it down. But this kind of like two position Wide straight you will lose very, very easily. Overall, I would say the only bad trade here I did buy because of the 830. This one is okay. This trade, kind of a cheese trade to take it up, is okay. Hit a stop, but this trade after that is very bad. There's no signs of stopping. So entry wise for here, I didn't dare to go up because I did not gain enough experience on this kind of trade. So what's the scenario? The scenario is there's this tick two-sided buy, so it will become like a ranging thing, ping pong trade until you resolve one side. So there's this guy and this guy. So buy as close as this guy and this guy. It ping pong all the way throughout Europe and New York, Europe and New York session. So I can slow down, then get it down to here. Okay, so I could have sold here, then sold here again, then that'll be all. So for now, instead of trying to take it home run, we just do a level but 2 level with a tight stop loss, so that and entry wise, we need to find something entry wise. Maybe we can do an aggressive trade or not. So this is a two-sided trade. Don't need to do a home run. Home run usually only comes when big news like this Australian kind of home run very rare also, and rare is one thing. The second thing is that I don't have the patience to hold it for so many days, unless I'm playing like a daily trade where I put a big stop. But I'm not doing that, so it's okay.